Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a strawberry mask recipe with you which boosts radiant and glowing skin. So if it interests you, keep on watching. To start with, of course, you need a few fresh strawberries. Make them into a puree. So just take about 2 teaspoons of strawberry puree and add a little bit of fresh cream into it. This will give it a smooth consistency. You can take any oil. I am taking this one as this is really good for sensitive skin and also makes it look hydrated. This is how the consistency of the mask should look like. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C and they also give you that healthy sort of glow. Gets rid of acne and also any dark spots, blemishes, pigmentation that you might have on your face. This mask also has anti-aging properties, so in case you have any fine lines or wrinkles, it might help you get rid of these also. For you to see the full results of this mask, you need to use it consistently. Use it twice a week if you have any such issues. Now there are some days that you don't feel like using a lot of makeup on your face. You can definitely use this mask and get a really healthy sort of glow without using any makeup products on your face. Trust me, it will give you a really good natural glow. Always use it on my face and also my neck so that my skin looks even toned. You need to keep this mask for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off using some cold water. And you can see here it's giving me a very natural pink sort of glow which I really like without using any makeup. I'm using a facial oil. You can use anything that you have. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, friends, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching.